Chief Minister Lalduhoma voiced the government's opposition to the centre's decision to fence the India-Myanmar border and scrap the Free Movement Regime (FMR) following a similar announcement by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Lalduhoma, speaking at a press conference after returning from Shillong, stated that despite not having the authority to prevent the centre's action, he remains against the move of India-Myanmar border fencing due to the shared ethnic background of the people of Mizoram and Myanmar. He also expressed opposition to the border fence, citing a lack of community acceptance for the boundary line originally marked by the British. The Chief Minister noted that the fence would inadvertently validate the British-imposed border, which is not accepted by the Mizo people on either side and would hinder their dreams of reunification. Lalduhoma acknowledged concern about increased smuggling and illegal activities due to FMR, but maintained his position to the centre's decision.